Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi Pad, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic text correction on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down. Then choose Additional Settings. Now select Languages and Input, Manage Keywords, and Gbird. Finally, you can click on Text Correction, scroll down just a bit, and tap on this switcher next to Auto Correction. As you can see, after that, automatic text correction is disabled, but you can always enable it by tapping on the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!